how to create a group in Roblox Mobile. If you wish to create a group in Roblox on mobile, it is actually quite very simple for us to do so. All we have to do is go ahead and then launch the Roblox application on our mobile phone. So make sure to launch the Roblox app and just make sure that you also sign in to your respective account. Now once you're signed into your account, this is the type of information that you will see. What you want to do is tap on the more icon from the bottom right of the screen. Here you will see many options. You simply have to look for the groups option. Now if you do not find the groups option, you can see a couple of options in this case. You'll be able to go over there, just come back to your settings over here, and here you can go to messages or communities right there, and you can start to create a community or also a group in this case. And that's all it takes for us to create a group in Roblox on mobile. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. As always, thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.